Hey guys, so this second dosage calc video I'm going to use the formula for milliliters an hour. So this is going to be when it asks you what would you set an IV pump at for milliliters an hour. So it's going to be total volume divided by number of hours. So in case you didn't see the first video or just a little recap, I'm going to use the same steps. So whenever you read a problem, first thing, don't freak out. The problems have a lot of information that you don't even need, and it's put in there on purpose to try and trip you up. Okay, so the second step is what formula are you going to use? So we're just going to stick with this one, and then circle any info that you truly need and label the information for how you're going to plug it into your formula here. So I'll show you that in a little bit. And then if you have to do any conversions, and then you solve. So let's just go ahead and do this first one. A physician orders 1,500 ml bolus of normal saline to go in over 3 hours. How many milliliters an hour would you set the pump? So, total volume, and then number of hours. And that's exactly how you set it up. So you do 1,500 ml divided by 3 hours gives you how many mLs an hour. So it's very important here that you use the actual number of hours. Okay, next one. Physician orders 90 milligrams of Tylenol IV piggyback to run over 30 minutes. Okay, pharmacy supplies you in a syringe with a concentration of 90 milligrams per 6 ml. How many milliliters would you set the pump? Okay, so here's your order. And then you want to make sure to note that it's running over 30 minutes. And since this is milliliters an hour, and you have to do divided by a number of actual hours, since it's 30 minutes, you're going to convert that to 0.5 hours, because that's half an hour, right? But it's very important that you use that and not that 30. You'll get the wrong answer, okay? So then the total volume, there's only one amount there, 6 mLs, divided by number of hours, and it's half an hour. So you would set it for 12 milliliters an hour. Okay? All right, let's do the next one. Physician orders 180 milligrams of Tylenol IV piggyback to run over 15 minutes. So then I went ahead and, again, you have to convert that to what that would be in an hour. So that's 0.25 hours. The pharmacy supplies you mixed 180 milligrams of Tylenol in 25 milliliter bag of normal saline. How many milliliters an hour would you set the pump? Okay. So total volume, you have a bag of 25 ml. Okay, divided by number of hours is going to be 0.25 hours. So in order to get that to run in over 15 minutes, you would program the pump at 100 milliliters an hour. Okay. Last one. Physician orders 3.4 grams of Zosyn IV piggyback to run in over 4 hours. Pharmacy supplies 4,000 milligrams in 100 milliliter of normal saline. How many milliliters an hour do you set the pump? Round to the whole number. Okay, so this one, you're going to have to do a conversion. So in case you didn't see the conversions that I did on the first dosage calc, I'll kind of run quickly over that again. So you need to get both of the numbers right here to be in grams, or both of them to be in milligrams, okay? So 3.4 grams is the same as 3,400 milligrams, and then 4.0 grams is the same as 4,000 milligrams, okay? So if you did with grams, then you would first do your desired over have. In case you didn't see the first one, it's the same type of setup that you would do if you do a ratio proportion, okay? And then you get 85 milliliters. And then if you didn't want to do the grams and you wanted to do the milligrams, I just show you how you get the same answer, okay? Now you have what you can use, and you can plug in your total volume in hours. Okay, so then your total volume is going to be that 85 milliliters divided by, and I said 4 hours, so it'd be 21.25, so it'd be 21 milliliters an hour. All right.